Welcome to Wiggle Sticks TV.
Well, I'm out here this evening just messing around with some graphics for the front here. This is off tomorrow to get the valve clearances done. I'm just trying to get some stickers and stuff sort of mocked up before she goes away. So over on the here we're going to have a yellow and a silver for this particular version of it, and then I think this number board will be silver for this particular track day. Eventually the nose cone itself will be silver, and then this big block over here will be black, and then you'll have yellow and black over here rather than yellow and silver. Yeah, so it's getting there. The belly pan is back from paint. It's a bit hard to see in this light, but it's a great paint job. Once I get the nose and everything all settled in, she'll be good to go. So I've got all these graphics and stickers cut out, or ready to cut out now for the silver panels on the side. So yeah, getting closer, little bit by little bit. So I guess the process for these is I just sort of mock it up based off some original stickers or off a photo, and then just do multiple versions of cutting out a paper to try to get the sticker the right size. And then I'll cut, once I've got it pretty close, I'll cut one out of vinyl and stick it on there and see exactly how close it is and make any changes, and then just kind of repeat that process, because the vinyl sort of behaves a little bit differently than paper, obviously. Yeah, but she's getting there, getting there. Well, I can safely say she is ready, as she's going to be, for Phillip Island. I have to take the mirrors and stuff off, but I'm going to take it for a bit of a spin tomorrow. Got all the graphics and everything on there, sort of temporarily, but I don't mind the sort of patchwork quilt kind of texture of it all. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah. Not sure if I'll get the top part painted or not, but yeah, she's there pretty much ready to go. Starts up super easy and everything now. Yeah. I put a bit of black vinyl around the inside of that tape there. But yeah, the light's a bit crappy on this side, but ready to go.